Yes, now we can start. So, good afternoon, everyone. Rivon Learning Academy welcomes you all to the Emotional Resilience webinar with Mr. Deepak Kumar. Rivon Learning Academy is an e-learning platform for hospitality, culinary, tourism, and service sector aspirants. Rivon is committed to provide a learning and development platform for overall personality enhancement, starting from spoken language to advanced knowledge of the operations in the hospitality industry. Today, we are honored to welcome Mr. Deepak Kumar, Cluster Assistant Learning and Development Manager in the Movenpick Hotels, Bur Dubai and Al Mumza, Dubai. Mr. Kumar, with experience of over 7.5 years in the hospitality industry, has also worked with Accor Hotels, IHG Hotels, Sayaji Hotels, and the Marriotts International. He is a great motivational speaker. Let's welcome him. And without
Oh, that's
wasting any further time, sir, over to you now.
perfect. So, do we have a chat box? I just wanted to chat to them just for a time.
Yes, sir, we do have a chat box here.
I cannot see on my screen.
You just need to press on the chat.
Perfect. Okay. Hi to everyone. I want all of you to tell me who are you? What's your name, man? I mean, so that I can recall whom I'm talking to. And how are you feeling? So, for example, my name is Deepak, and I'm feeling amazing to see some new names that I could see on screen, right? So, what's your name and how are you feeling? Just in one word. Molly, you have to read it for me. I cannot read.
Okay, sure. So it's from Sanjit Thakur.
Okay, wow, great.
Says, hello, Mr. Deepak. Then Ms. Garima Ali says, hello, I'm Garima from Muradabad.
Wow, amazing.
Then anybody else? Then Mr. Deepak Sharma says, Deepak Sharma, hi, Mr. Deepak.
Wow, amazing. Deepak is joining. Cool.
Then Ms. Garima Evi says, feeling good to have you on board.
Wow, amazing.
Ms. Aarti says, hi, Aarti from Bangalore.
Okay.
Then we have Ms. Kanika from Muradabad again. We have Ms. Sansia Gonsalves from Goa. Then we have Mr. Sanjit Thakur. Ms. Aarti Ahuja says, welcome to Rivon. Then again, Mr. Sanjit says, warm welcome.
Okay. We only have this many people?
We have total 16 participants with us and maybe joining soon as well.
Okay. So I think Shahzad is here. I can see.
Then there's Chef Manikantan. Bangalore, there's Mr. Shehzad from Dubai. Then there's Ms. Charu, who's saying, hello everyone, good to see you again, Mr. Deepak sir, motivator.
Wow, they were my ex-student, I guess.
Then
cool.
Charu is from Delhi.
Super. So I think everybody has already introduced, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get back. All right, guys, no need of introduction as Molly, I want everyone to mute, please, and then we will unmute them.
All of you, please mute yourselves so that we can hear Mr. Deepak. And if you have any queries, you can write in the chat box. Thank you so much.
Yes, and we will give you time. Perfect, guys. Just a quick one. I am Deepak, and I'm the Cluster Learning and Development Manager for Accor Hotels, Movenpick Hotels, which is an amazing brand of Accor, famous for its own wine, coffee, and chocolates. So, all right, so if you're really fond of chocolates, wine, and coffee, you should visit to this Movenpick Hotels, and you should try especially ice cream as well. And few things I am missing as well. So I work with Marriott, I work with Accor, I work with IHG, and for a short time, I work with Sayaji as well. I carry almost 8 years of experience along with me. I'm not gonna give a big introduction, but just in short, I was the youngest training manager in India by Times of India and Elements magazine in 2016. and I'm the industrial mentor for Gyan Bihar University, Jaipur, GECRC University, Jaipur, Amity, Dubai, Amity, Jaipur, Amity, Noida, and I am the board chairman of board for Reborn Academy, all right, based in India. Perfect. So let's start today. A very interesting topic. You just have to listen to me. And if I am fast, you can write in the chat box so that I can repeat. Today's webinar is a very different topic. Emotional resilience. When 2 to 3 years back, I myself did not know personally what resilience mean to me. But you know, year after year, I started getting a lot of challenges, and during challenges you face, you know, a lot of emotions. You go through a lot of emotions, and that you know somehow define that what resilience mean to you. If you are more resilient, we can help them definitely. So that's it. We are done with 50%, but before we open the podium for question and answer, we will do quickly. I would like to tell you that these are the skills that you can enhance your resilience. Guys, no one is coming on this earth with already scared. When you are born, you are a simple baby, like a person who is born in US, like a person who is born in Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, everywhere. It's just that gradually, with a perfect environment and with a perfect place, people match. So these are the skill. I would not say that you are very poor in your emotional management, and I will not say I'm a god of emotion. Sometimes I do cry in my room. Sometimes we need to be negative also in life. I told you, be realistic. What I can do, what I cannot do. I cannot say I'm going to be president of US just after a month of time. That's really not realistic. I cannot say after 6 months I can be a director of HR. No, I'm just an L&D manager. I need more time to study, to understand the laws of UAE. UAE labor laws are very different than my country labor laws. So this is what realistic is. I would just like to read out quickly how you can enhance your emotional resilience. Please be connect with people. Please be flexible with yourself, with your requirements, with your mind, with everything. Being able to make realistic plan, being able to manage strong feeling, and have a self-confident. That's it, you know. But the next topic, the next 15 minutes, what we are going to talk about, that's super amazing. But I would like to give you a 1 minute quick. If you have any doubt, we will not talk anything out of the topic. After I'm done with the webinar, I will give you more and more time to talk. But I'm giving you 2 minutes. If you have anything related to the topic and you want to ask or you want to add, I'm not saying I'm the master, I'm the expert. When we were doing this webinar, I told Reborn Learning Academy that it's a discussion. It's not that I'm training you and this and that. No, guys, I never say it's my training. I say it's a discussion because I believe personally that everyone has its own opinion and we can learn from each other. So let's open the chat box or audio. People can switch on your audio and ask the questions or the query, please.
So Mr. Sanjit has raised his hand. So
yes,
you can unmute and ask whatever your query or your
please.
point is.
Sanjit, yes.
Yes, Mr. Deepak, very good afternoon and very nicely imparted by the Vis, and thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
now I just want to I have a small question like resilience, like it will be divided into 4 parts, right? First is mental, and second is emotional, third is social, and fourth we
Yes.
can say that physical, right?
Right.
One like for I have a question that for a person, how can he maintain like a 4 thing in equivalent way to reach his a resilience way to
Okay.
be in a particular way? What are the things need to keep in a person mind to be? So I have a question to you this. So
okay, basically
how we need
what
to
should
going
we
to
do so
manage?
that we can be parallel and equivalent to all these 4 aspects? Is it
Exactly, yes.
right? Sanjit, I already have a content. What best practices throughout the day you can do to be emotionally resilient? I hope the next content will be able to answer your question, right?
Absolutely correct. Yeah.
Next half we are going to talk what we should do I understand that you are talking about mental, physical, social balance, all these four balance that you're talking about.
How one can maintain it? Yeah, that is what my
Yes,
question.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
There is no limit to it. First of all, there is no limit to it. Even
Yeah.
the CEO and even anybody on the earth needs emotional resilience, and people learn, year after year with a lot of maturity. But I think some of the part of your question will be answered in the next half. I think we should wait for it, right?
No worries. It's okay.
All right, all right. Next,
Sure,
we do
sir.
not.
Thank
There is another query from Ms. Garima. So you can unmute and ask.
Yeah. Hi, Mr. Deepak. And
Hello.
it was wonderful session I'm taking with you. I am from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh, India.
Mhm.
My question is like somebody who's already very emotional from their behavior or by birth.
Mhm.
So how they can do means cope up with the situations once this kind of situations arises, like the
Perfect.
examples you have already quoted to.
Mhm,
Because
mhm.
ये actually लोगों का nature होता है और अपने nature या अपने behavior से निकलना बहुत easy नहीं है उसको बदलना.
I understand, ma'am. I
Then
truly
how we
understand.
can cope up?
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, thank you so much for joining in from Muradabad. And I would like to say here that even I am a very emotional person, very, very emotional person. There are few people who have already joined this webinar and they know how emotional I am. So your question will be again answered, ma'am, in the second half. I'm going to
Okay.
talk what you can do to be an emotional resilient person. I told you that it's just a skill we have to learn. When everybody takes birth, we do not say that this guy is more resilient, this guy is not resilient. And there are few people who are very emotional. I was talking to my director of HR and I say I'm very emotional. She says being emotional is a sign of leadership. You understand emotion, and we can manage emotion by having emotional intelligence as well. So I'm going to
Hmm.
talk about every single day what you should do, what you
Because
should plan in your routine to make yourself emotionally resilient.
okay, because I'm running an NGO and every day I'm meeting people. Those are really, under poverty and they have a lot of challenges in their life. Sometimes what I feel whenever I'll go to the field or people come to me for any kind of help, and if I'm not doing able to help them, so
Mhm.
these all situations impact on my means they all hold on my head. So
Done, done.
they really impact my life and they really disturb my personal and professional life too. So
Perfect, ma'am.
my major point is to attend your session is only to how can I come out from these kind
Done,
of
done, 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 done.
situations.
Let's learn some 5 skills.
Useful, and it is really we are lucky because they
Yes,
may approach 100 number of people, but only few have joined because
yes,
God has picked up us
yes,
to enhance our knowledge. That is why we are here and dealing with Mr. Deepak.
yes. That's
It's
why
our
I'm thanking my audience again, for thank you so much for taking out time. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind
thank you
words.
to you.
Thank you.
And sir, we have a question from Chef Neil as well. He has raised his hand. So if you have any query, you can just unmute and ask.
Sorry, Neil, Chef Neil. Yeah, Chef Neil, please switch on your audio. You can ask me or you want to write, please. Chef Neil is doing a great job. He has his own YouTube and Facebook channel also. So he's very busy in his on videos and all. Neil, you have a question. You have raised your hand. I think it's by mistake, maybe. Anyone else would like to ask questions before I say my thanking speech to all of you for making my first webinar, global webinar successful?
So
Can all of you, can I
query,
ask one, Molly, I want to urge from all the audience, please switch on your camera. I want to take a screenshot of all of you. Can we do
so
that,
can you
please?
all please switch on your videos so that we can just take a quick screenshot?
Yes, can you do that, Molly, for me? Molly, can you take the screenshot once they switch on their cameras?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Guys, can I ask you or no? I mean, if you feel no, then it's fine. I can take the screenshot from your names. Let's wait if they can. I'm saying, are they with me, guys? Everyone is with me. Okay, please switch on your camera so that we can take a screenshot as a memory for this webinar. Molly will put it in her academy. Is it okay for you? If not, Molly, take the participant screenshot only. People, maybe there are few people. Okay, just take the screenshot of the screen.
Yes, sir. I've taken this. And there's a query from Mr. Anuj Sharma. Is asking how and why is it important for healthcare providers to be resilient?
Okay, so first of all, you're talking about healthcare providers. So when you talk about Anuj, healthcare providers, you talk about doctors. So in their study itself, they learn about horse and rider. And the doctors are the people who can actually teach you resilience. They are highly resilient people. And yes, they also need to attend such webinars, and they also need to be resilient, because especially in this pandemic, you have seen the way they are going through. They are missing their family like anything. They go home, but they do not meet their family members. How difficult for them it is. So it is very, very vital for the healthcare providers, especially, to be emotionally resilient.
Okay, sir.
So I hope all of you are clear with your queries. If anybody still has, you can write in the chat box. You can unmute and ask.
Yes. And my light is off because there is a sensor. My room has identified that nobody is moving in the room, so that's why the light is off. Okay, now I got it. So anyone has questions? I think no, Molly. If you have any question, please do write on Reborn Learning Academy. I would like to say, Molly, thank you so much for hosting this webinar. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time once again. Molly, anything from you?
Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak, for your valuable time, and to all the participants for your valuable time as well. We must come up with more such webinars in the future, and all of you, please put your valuable suggestions and your valuable feedback on our page, Reborn Learning Academy, and do follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you again. Take care.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak.
Thank you, everyone.